Hi everyone, it's your girl Sukie. I'm so excited to tell you that our course HSK 124 in 90 days is officially here. Oh my god, we have received a lot of amazing feedback from our HSK 123 clients, and we want to keep on the good work and expand you to cover HSK 4, which is a whole new level. After finishing HSK 124, you'll reach the intermediate level of Chinese study, which is amazing because that means you'll be able to confidently and fluently speak with local Chinese. That's definitely a milestone worth celebrating. In this course, you'll start with HSK 123 intensive lessons first, and in each lesson, you'll learn phrases, grammar, and sentences that we as local Chinese use every day. You also find notes for each lesson with Pinyin, translation, and Chinese characters for those phrases, grammar, and sentences. But we encourage you to take your own notes because that will help you remember better. You have a little test after each lesson. This is a great way for you to test if you have absorbed all the knowledge from this lesson, and it's also an easy way for you to review what you have learned. After finishing HSK 123, you can move on to HSK 4. You should have a decent amount of vocabulary, grammar, and sentences in your head by that time. So we'll do HSK 4 in an effective but hard mode. First, we will cover all grammar points. Grammar is like the techniques you need to build a wall. So let's get familiar with these techniques first. Then we'll do all the vocabularies. Vocabulary is like a brick, and we might as well collect as many bricks as possible before starting to build a wall, right? In the end, we'll work on sentences. That's when we start building a wall with all the grammar and the vocabularies you learned before. In order to thrive in HSK 4, make sure to study well in HSK 123. Foundation is important. Although HSK 124 is designed for 90 days, you'll have 12 months to access the course. That's a whole year. We understand that things may come up sometimes in life or you need to take a break. So don't worry if you need a timeout, we've got you covered. And we also want you to have enough time to review each lesson as many times as possible. Review is crucial. This is an online video class, so that means you can take classes whenever and wherever you want. And when you have questions, just ask your private tutor and we'll help you ASAP. Yep, we have a private tutor service for this course now, but this course is not always included for free, so grab your seat before late. We designed this course under the guideline of HSK 124, but you may find our language more real and more authentic, compared with textbook language, because this class is not for passing tests, which requires more of testing skills. We build this course to help you learn Chinese that we actually use in daily life. That's why our clients from HSK 123 often told us that they can understand so much more of what the Chinese colleagues are talking about. And I hope you can easily communicate with local Chinese too after taking this course. So much for now. If you are interested in our HSK 124 in 90 days course, I'll put a link in the description below. You can go and take a look. And if you want to learn writing specifically, we have this course for you, and you can get them in combo with big discounts. If any questions, feel free to contact us. In the meantime, come hang with me on my Instagram and YouTube at Sukie Chinese. My name is Sukie, and I will see you next one. Bye!